Should I just smoke my view right now?
Here, I want you to smoke right here. No, right, buddy, right here. On this line. Right here. That's, I'll take a look. Okay, get the smoke out of my face. Here, it's in my face.
Okay, just down for a second. Wow.
Yeah, don't put it by the other hive, because then you'll smoke them. Okay. Now that is a ton of nectar. Do you see that? All that nectar.
Is that honey?
Oh, look at this side.
Can we try to see if there's a queen?
We got an interesting piece of comb here. I don't know. Is this a queen cell? Oh, that's honey.
Ooh,
Is that for Elisha?
I'm so excited. I wonder if we can find any more.
Alright, so that's honey.
Oh, I saw it's just something.
Put that in. And go ahead and smoke right here. Right here. Okay. Now this always goes in the ground when you're done with it. That way we don't catch anything on fire by accident. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm. Couldn't grass light on fire though?
Okay, on this frame we have,
Ooh, wait. Wait, Papa.
okay, we got some brood.
Wait, can I see? Can I see the brood?
Yeah, this is all brood right here. This is nectar.
But wait, couldn't some of this also be honey because of...
See these? Oh, look, there's a queen cell. Oh no. That's not good.
Why?
Empty swarm cell.
Oh no, that was bad. Oh, there's a couple. There's one right there that looks so stubborn.
Let's take a look. It looks like there's.
But is that not good because there's a queen, that means? Oh, hi, Mama. Just let you know, you didn't need to do that because we're making a video.
Okay.
Oh wow, those are queen cells.
Well, that was.
What are those other big raised ones?
I don't know. I think these are. It's really propolis. Oh, look at that. There's a. It's like uncapped and filled.
Where?
I wonder if this is a queenless hive. In which case, that would be a problem. Okay. That's not good.
Will they raise
This
up a
looks
new
like a
one?
middle.
So they have some brood in there, though.
So that must mean there has to be a queen, right?
Okay, go ahead and spray right here. Oh, look, this is the larva. I think the queen larva that I just killed.
Maybe you shouldn't kill a queen larva. They might need it.
That is true, Camden. I probably should have waited on that. They have a lot of brood.
Can I blow on it?
Whoops.
Don't try to get me stung.
I'm not trying. I don't see a queen. Look, there's another queen cell there.
Where? Oh no, right there. Wait, right there.
Yeah.
But that one didn't look like a hatch, right? So we could still have a queen being born, so it could be okay, right?
Well, that's concerning. Okay. Then smoke right here.
Where? Right here? Okay.
Right here. there's pollen, honey, and there's a lot of brood.
Can I see the pollen? Pollen? Wait, can you see the brood?
This is a lot. This is some. Still see a queen?
No, this is not food. Oh, there's a dead bee right there. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
So,
Looks good. Expect that one right there.
so I thought you said we're just gonna do one frame out. Not
Well.
full inspect.
We're here, so, and I have to inspect this, and it's a nice day, so might as well do it. This is honey. It's a lot of honey.
Can you see? Can you see?
You can't, it's right in front of you.
Oh, no?
Yeah, that's all capped honey.
See the brood?
I think the queen. I don't see the queen at all. Okay. And here there's nothing on this. Okay. So let's give it one more look here. You ready? Looking for the queen. Looking for the queen. I am not seeing a queen. Do you see a queen?
No. Do you think we need to just buy one?
Yeah, or they might need to send us one. Do you see the queen? You helping me look for the queen? I think they're trying to raise a queen. I don't know what I think about that.
So why do bee sometimes make multiple queen eggs? Trying to larp on that one?
Looking for a queen or a queen cell that I killed. Maybe I shouldn't have done that.
Why did he do that? Anyway,
It's just a knee-jerk reaction.
jerk reaction.
A knee-jerk reaction. That means it just seems like something I was supposed to do.
Couldn't you just put that larva thing back in the thing? Oh wait, I have a question. Do the queens have stingers?
So I think what?
Do the queens?
Wait, is that the queen?
Where?
No.
But did you think it was a queen? Alright, that's fine. I'm sure you see that anything.
There's a lot of bundled up
There's one on my finger.
bees here.
There's a finger. There's on the ground.
Okay, I don't
But we should be on them.
They can be on me, it's okay.
Should I smoke that?
No.
Jeez, a bee just hit me, like, ran into me, like, it hit my back pretty hard.
Okay, so there's no.
One fell into your pocket.
So we saw no eggs,
No eggs of what?
right? Did we see any eggs?
I don't think so.
So the brood was here in the middle.
Can I see? Some brood? Right, there's an egg, there's a queen egg right there.
Do you see any eggs? Yeah, there's a queen cell there. Yeah. Oh, I see no brood at all. Okay, that's bad. This hive is not doing good.